Well, in South Florida, this time of year can mean very strong winds. We have just gone through about 2 weeks of winds that were sustained over 30 miles per hour. That was bad news for new grafts. This is a top work project. I had a wonderful graft here, very strong, tall, and now it's gone. Then over here, this was a little younger, newer graft, and it just, like the sprout that it was connected to, broke. And then over here, we have this one started growing. The scion started growing, and there was that wind, and now it's no longer viable. So you can't really help that. And if that happens, try and keep it in a protected area. If it still gets snapped, regraft.